The initial approach and assessment represent the crucial starting point for any crime scene investigation. This foundational phase lays the essential groundwork for a successful and thorough examination of the incident. It is widely considered the most critical stage, as its execution sets the entire tone for the subsequent investigative process. The quality of evidence collected and, ultimately, the outcome of the case are directly impacted by the diligence and precision applied during this initial phase. A systematic process guides these critical first steps. This process involves securing the scene, conducting a preliminary survey, and formulating an investigative strategy. Securing the scene is the first responder's paramount responsibility upon arrival. This immediate action ensures the safety of all individuals present at or near the incident location. The safety of first responders themselves is prioritized, protecting them from potential dangers. Equally important is the safety of victims, who may require immediate medical attention or protection from further harm. Witnesses must also be secured and protected, both for their well-being and to preserve their potential testimony. Furthermore, the safety of other personnel, including medical staff and additional law enforcement, is a key consideration. Scene security is achieved through specific, deliberate actions. Establishing a perimeter is fundamental, clearly defining the boundaries of the crime scene. This perimeter controls access to the scene, allowing only authorized personnel to enter. Preventing unauthorized entry is crucial to maintaining the integrity of the area. Several factors determine the appropriate size and shape of the perimeter. The nature of the crime itself dictates the potential spread of evidence and the necessary containment area. The potential for evidence to be dispersed or moved must be carefully considered. Anticipated investigative activities, such as searching for specific items or conducting interviews, also influence the perimeter's scope. The purpose and benefits of securing the scene are multifaceted and vital. Primarily, it prevents the contamination of evidence, ensuring that foreign materials are not introduced. This action preserves the integrity of the scene, keeping it as close as possible to its state at the time of the incident. Securing the scene protects potential evidence from alteration, which could compromise its evidentiary value. Most importantly, it safeguards potential evidence from destruction, whether intentional or accidental, thereby preserving crucial links to the crime. Once the scene has been thoroughly secured, the preliminary survey commences. This phase involves a systematic walkthrough of the entire scene by the lead investigator. The primary objective of this survey is to gain an initial, comprehensive overview of the situation. During this critical walkthrough, key observations are meticulously made. Investigators assess the overall environment of the scene, noting its condition and any significant features. The location of potential evidence is identified, even if not yet collected, to inform later processing. The presence of victims, whether deceased or injured, is noted, along with their positions. Any obvious points of entry or exit are also carefully observed, providing initial clues about how the incident unfolded. The preliminary survey also helps identify potential hazards that could endanger personnel. Biohazards, such as blood or bodily fluids, are noted for proper handling and safety protocols. Structural instability or other physical dangers are also identified to ensure the safety of all investigators. This initial assessment allows for the development of a preliminary hypothesis about the events that occurred. Documentation is an indispensable component of the preliminary survey. Detailed notes are taken, capturing every observation and action. Photographs are systematically captured, providing visual records of the scene from various angles. Potentially, video recordings may also be utilized to offer a dynamic perspective of the scene. The importance of this initial documentation cannot be overstated. It creates a permanent, objective record of the scene's condition exactly as it was found. This record captures the scene before any evidence is touched, moved, or altered in any way. It serves as a vital reference point throughout the entire investigation, guiding subsequent steps. Furthermore, this comprehensive documentation can be used to reconstruct the events that occurred, providing crucial insights for analysis and presentation in court. Following the completion of the preliminary survey, the formulation of an investigative strategy culminates this initial phase. At this point, the lead investigator develops a comprehensive plan for all subsequent stages of the investigation. This strategic plan is essential for guiding the entire process. The components of this strategic plan are carefully considered and outlined. It involves identifying all necessary resources, including specialized personnel, equipment, and forensic tools. The plan determines the precise order of evidence collection, ensuring that fragile or transient evidence is prioritized. It also assigns specific tasks to team members, clearly defining roles and responsibilities. This meticulous planning ensures a systematic approach to the investigation. Every step is considered and integrated into a cohesive framework. It also ensures an efficient approach, optimizing the use of time and resources. By maximizing efficiency, the investigation can proceed without unnecessary delays or redundancies. The strategic plan maximizes the chances of uncovering crucial evidence. A well-thought-out approach minimizes the risk of overlooking important details or mishandling potential leads. Ultimately, the formulation of a sound investigative strategy aims to solve the crime by providing a clear roadmap for evidence recovery, analysis, and interpretation. This structured approach is fundamental to achieving justice. The initial approach and assessment phase stands as the cornerstone of effective crime scene investigation. Its meticulous execution is paramount to the success of any criminal inquiry. This foundational stage dictates the quality and integrity of all subsequent investigative efforts. For a comprehensive and successful investigation, several key actions must be diligently performed. Prioritizing scene security is non-negotiable, safeguarding the integrity of the evidence from the moment of discovery. Conducting a thorough preliminary survey provides the essential overview and initial documentation needed to understand the scene. Developing a strategic plan then guides the entire investigative process, ensuring efficiency and thoroughness. These initial steps, when executed with precision and professionalism, contribute significantly to the pursuit of justice. They ensure that every piece of evidence is properly identified, preserved, and analyzed. The integrity of the entire legal process hinges on the foundational work performed during this critical initial phase.